Hey y'all, Yvebelize, welcome back. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Hope you find value in the video and subscribe. Today I'm coming with a quick video. I have a fresh wash and go. It's time for bed. I'm going to be showing you how to maintain and preserve a wash and go for the entire week. So what I usually do, I pineapple my hair, or I put it in twist, or I'll do a 3-strand braid. Tonight I'm going to do a 3-strand braid. I'm going to show you how I do that and take it down in the morning and keep doing that so you could see what it's looking like. The reason I'm opting to do the braid as opposed to the twist, because it gives my hair more of a stretch. I'm not going to stretch it with any heat I usually do. I'm just going to show you just by doing that and how I put it up to go to sleep. So I usually start in the front. Don't need any clips or anything. So you pick a section that's comfortable for you, and I start braiding. My hair is still wet in some areas, so you see the product showing up over there. It's been air drying all day, but of course the densest part of my hair you can put on your bonnet on your head. I have my ties, and instead of just going to sleep like this, I just put them away, like braid them back now. And I'll take this and just stick it in between there somewhere. And then I take a different color and hold it. It all boils down to preference. Either I put on my silk bonnet or I just lay on my silk pillowcase. The reason I tuck it away like this is because I don't have to put anything else on my head. I'm not gonna put on any bonnet tonight because I sleep with a silk pillowcase. Regardless if I put a bonnet on or not, I will check back in the morning, and I'm gonna take this down and let you see how this all works out for me. Morning! I just came back from running errands. I just didn't feel like putting my hair down before I went outside. It's so hot outside, and I tell you. So we're on day 2 here. I'll take this down so we can see the level of stretch that I got, and also how this method maintains my curls and kept them intact. Carry on through the day, and tonight to go to sleep I'm going to be doing the same routine that I did last night. I'll probably come back later in the week to let you see what it's looking like and let you know what day that I'm on. And we're on day 5. this is day 6 here, but this does not count because I have a function to go to. I'm celebrating my baby's 20th birthday today, and I went in with the dryer just now because I wanted ultimate stretch, so I stretched it out, and I know when I go outside it's gonna shrink a little bit, but I'm still gonna have volume. So the video stopped at day 5 here for preserving your wash and go. As you can see, you can preserve it even longer. I'm gonna be rocking my hair. Probably gonna go to 7 or 8 before I wash my hair. Hope it was helpful in you incorporating this in your routine or tweaking it to your liking. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, share the video. Somebody may not know how to preserve their wash and go. And Eve will see you in the next video.